Hi, I'm James from Fine & Country, and you've joined me here today at this absolutely immaculate and stunning 4 double bedroom detached property in Southam. Inside we've got 2 generous reception rooms and a wonderful open plan kitchen, dining, living space which opens out onto a delightful rear garden. Let's take a look inside. You've joined me in the landscape garden of this amazing home where you step out from an incredible kitchen, dining, living space. I hope you've enjoyed the tour. If you'd like more information, please contact me on the details that follow. Thank you for watching.